Want a bite? See, this is Saturday morning and I just woke up. It's 10:30. Mommy woke me up today. Mommy put my high chair together while I was sleeping this morning. And we are trying our first meal with some cereal in the high chair. He seems to be doing really well. I'm really pleased. Yeah. This is pretty good, huh? What do you think? Oh, we got such a mess. Oh, Mama's making such a mess, huh? Let's wipe that face a little bit. Yeah. Here. Let's sit up just a little bit. Oh, there you go. There you go. It's all right, big boy. It's all right, big boy.